I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
What is good, man? What is good, YouTube, man? Hey, it's the new year already. I think, I don't know, I have to post it on YouTube about a couple days now. But yeah, man, hey, you know me, I pop up when I pop up. Whenever I find something to film that's worth filming, I film. So yeah, man, welcome back to another, another Paul Rich video, man. Hey, watch it bust in, man. Is an orange matching the orange and the orange wrap, or is the orange wrap matching the orange carbon fiber stereo matching the orange hoodie matching the Paul Rich watch? But I don't know. You let me know. Get you one right now, man. Cause all I'm saying, man. Hey, get you a luxury watch, man. You need one, man. Cause one, the Paul Rich, man. One, that they're very luxury. Two, they're very affordable. Three, they look magnificent, man. You gotta get all three. The 3 keys to life. You gotta look good, gotta feel good, and live good, man. So yeah, go get you a Paul Rich watch, man. First link in the description, man. But today, obviously, I wing every video, man. Whatever I film, I just film, man. But yeah, we at Sonic, cause every time, so I'm not gonna tell y'all where I live, but every time I'm out this way, I gotta come and get Sonic. Not gonna lie. So yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm not getting a big meal that I usually get. I'm only getting one burger and tater tots and slushy. I usually would order 2 double cheeseburgers, some cheese tater tots with bacon, and a slushy. I'm not doing that today because I be in the gym, man. But yeah, we about to head to ACD, man. Because if you don't know already, I haven't said anything, but I have partnered with ACD Customs to create some legendary content, man. Some legendary content. I'm yelling. People are looking at it. But guess what? Hey, man, I do YouTube. You famous now. Car behind me famous. Sonic is famous. But yeah, I have partnered with ACD Customs out in San Bernardino. They do custom wraps, crazy wraps. So if that ain't giving you hints, then yeah, man, I'm getting a new wrap very soon, and I'm working on something else behind the scenes that I really want that thing to go through. Because if I do, man, bruh, it's gonna be some crazy content, man. But yeah, if that follows through, I'm letting God lead my life for 2022 and so on. So yeah, man, that's what I'm living. I'm waking up every day, leaving it all up to God, man. But yeah, man, I'm going to ACD. I'm about to create some legendary content with them. So yeah, man. So go follow ACD Customs. They will be creating a YouTube channel very soon. I will be helping them with that. But hey, that is one big lady. She got a big old drink. But I'm drinking my stuff. I'll get back to y'all. So we got my food right there. I got my first love right there. Obviously, my camera's in my hand. But we got a 57-minute drive. I am in Brea right now. But yeah, man, can't wait. So once we get here, obviously I'm gonna make a couple of bigger videos here with ACD. Then we're going to go over the wrap idea for the Honda, man. Cause I'm not gonna lie, it was past due for a new wrap. I had my wrap for about a year and some change now. It was time for a switch up, going with my other favorite color. hint, y'all. So go comment down below and let me think what do you not think of what actual rap idea I'm coming up with? Because I'm coming up with something crazy but classy, but something crazy, man. Something I wanted to do when I was going to get the track hawk. That was my original idea. But if you don't know, man, my favorite colors is orange and like a light blue. So obviously I gotta keep the theme going. I probably ain't gonna go to full blue though. I mean the full orange. I might go full Ooh, cause I ain't gonna lie. So I might not. I think I'm telling you too much, but let's just get here and let's just go over the rap idea. Cause I'm not gonna lie. Frank's idea with my ideas, I'm not gonna lie. It's some heat, man. It's some heat, man. So shout out to you know, the whole gang, man. Slim, Jazz. Who else? Slim, Jazz, 3, fucking Jeremy. Goddamn DJ, goddamn Josh, goddamn Rail, my brothers, man. Shout out to everybody, man. We all grinding to get $1 million plus in the account, liquid cash. That's a drift car right there. That's nice. But yeah, I choked myself. But yeah, I can't wait. So let's get on the road. ACD. We got a sexy AMG GT right here. I dig this colorway, red with the yellow, especially these yellow lights. This shit's hard. I like that right there. And that man is low as hell. I ain't gonna lie. That man's super low. Too low for me. This shit is clean as hell. But yeah, soon to be having a new color for the you know, the Civic. This is past due for wrap. The orange has to go. Time for a new color. Definitely new color. I got bird shit on my car. Definitely ain't washed my car in a minute. To tell you why, the other day I blew my tire like so bad. So if you don't know, I have slight camber, but my fitment is like I'm tucking. But so yeah, so like usually my tires, like the far left 3, I'll have tread, but the inner part, I'll run out of tread quick. Yeah, and yeah, I ain't noticed that. My car, and yeah, I was on the freeway, smashed with a bike as usual. I'm always smashing, and kaboom! This shit just went into full limp mode, man. But yeah, it was cool though. Yeah, tires. Well, my tires are usually expensive for brand new tires, man. But you see, this is a damn fucking 6x6 Gwagon. This is cold with the Brabus kit, the carbon. God damn, I'm not gonna lie. This is with the dry carbon. I'll definitely get one. I can't afford that. That's like 100 of my cars put in one. But yeah, man, we have officially made it here.
That's a house on wheels.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, literally.
A mansion on wheels.
It's up in the millions. So yeah, that's different. That is crazy. Damn, I guess I'm looking at it. Especially,
I've never even seen one on the streets before.
I've never seen one because especially with the Brabus kit.
Yeah, exactly.
Never, because usually it's already rare to see a 6x6.
Yeah,
but 6x6 with the full Brabus kit. Yeah, that's definitely
This reminds me of something like it's supposed to be in the military, like something about to go to war.
Exactly. Yeah. Why is he dropping off here? Is he gonna wrap?
Yeah, he's gonna get the whole car wrapped. He's gonna wrap
white
it,
is sexy.
pearl satin white. So
I like that white.
He still wants to keep it white.
They're more flaky. All right, y'all. So here is the orange thing right here, right? So me and Frank was discussing on what I should do, and we came up with a good idea. I won't be dropping it off today only because, as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you sort of caught on, I'm waiting to something, so probably should wrap something else first if all follows through before I wrap that one. So yeah, so it's hard to explain. I don't want to give up too much idea. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna tell y'all. So right now I'm working on getting a Supra right now. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working on. So before I actually rewrap this, we was thinking because pretty much I should have answer within today or tomorrow within if the Supra I'm getting secured. And by the way, it's a very limited edition of Supra, so that's what I'm waiting on to get everything confirmed before we rewrap this. Because what I could do is obviously is get the new car and then obviously ship that here because it's definitely out of state. So get that shipped here, get it wrapped here first, then go rewrap this. But we have Canelos. Well, obviously you've seen it earlier in the video. We have Canelos 1 of 1. It's about 1.3 or more $1 million 6x6 G-Wagon. Jesus Christ, look at the shocks in this thing. This is cold, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the wheels, the Brabus wheels. Bro, just look at this truck. So look, so a regular G-Wagon, it's just like right here, right? It's not even, because this is extended back. So the regular G-Wagon is technically only to like right here. So then you got this full extendo mook right here. You got this full, crazy, right? This full dry carbon. You see that, the Brabus. I'm not getting this plate, but 6x6 700. And you got the 5th wheel, Brabus wheel in the back. Not gonna lie, y'all, this carbon is fucking sexy. Not gonna lie, especially with the so you got the dry carbon right here, and then the wet carbon on top right here. It's not functional though, but still carbon. Damn, this is nuts. Oh, you got the with the lights too right here. A 4x4 G-Wagon has all this. So this definitely is legendary. I'm not gonna lie, 3. Are you rich man? So I think you gotta get the Brabus kit now, bro. If you're watching the video, but I think you guys have to go tell 3 to get a Brabus kit on this 4x4, because it already has a 1 of 1, a 4x4 G-Wagon squared now. So damn, this is cold. I wonder how loud it is. But yeah, Frank and them already left at ACD. They're wrapping a BMW in there, and then another BMW in there. But that black one should be done tomorrow. But man, what? So I'm gonna give it the idea that we was going. So the color, it's I'm gonna look it up on my phone real quick because I have a photo. But the color is super dope. It's one of my other favorite colors. The color is called Gloss Sea Breeze Blue. So that's the blue right there. And then I'm going to do, instead of a matte forest carbon, because forest carbon is my thing. So I'm just going to do that blue with, because it's a gloss blue. And I was going to do a gloss forest carbon. Gloss forest carbon. White wheels. Take off the spoiler. And I'm going to buy me a forged carbon ducktail, just a small one to go up right there. So this will be going bye-bye. No more big wing. Well, it's not really like a big wing, but it's a pretty big wing. So yeah, that's the color I'm going with. Gloss Sea Breeze Blue. And a goddamn gloss forged carbon. I have a carbon lip I ordered, and I will be retinting the windshield because I can't lie, I'm tired of being a fishbowl in the windshield. Everything else is double level, but I definitely need my windshield tinted again. I gotta don't know what the fuck that is. A scat, you can't tell nowadays. It has Brembo, so that's a Hellcat. It has Hellcat wheels. So I'm assuming that that's a Hellcat. Not really sure. You can't tell because Dodge nowadays. But yes, if you have made it in this video, then you know you caught a lot of detail on what I've been working on. I should have made a separate video, but yeah, I'm not trying to count my eggs before they hatch. But I'm leaving it all up to God, as I said, in 2022. So, if God wants me to have the car, He gonna want me to have the car. But yeah, I definitely need the content. So that's why I'm trying to get a Super. And I also might have something else in store for you guys with another vehicle possibly, but right now I am working on getting a 2020 Super Launch Edition, brand new. So caught it here. We're about to leave ACD Customs again, head back home, and make more content for y'all. All right, y'all, bro. So while I'm on the home, right, and you know how I stopped at Sonic, I'm not gonna lie, there's no free sponsor for Sonic, but hey, man, if y'all go there, you gotta get, I think it's called grape. Oh, obviously I'm black, so black people like grape and watermelon. But now you gotta get it's called grape slushy with the nerds. Won't steer you wrong, man. But yeah, Paul Rich watch it shining, man. Go get you one. First link in the description. Use code Sway Media, man. Get one. What the hell? And thinking of semis, it's a sign right there in the middle that says Watt EV electric trucks is coming soon. That's crazy. Well, Tesla, you have some competition, man. Tesla definitely have competition. Electric trucks, huh? So I wonder, but I wonder how long it's gonna take to actually, like, you know, give the semi a full full charge. It's a similar truck, so we don't know how long it's gonna be. But small pool. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice out here. You get a nice little view out here. You get potholes though, because this is California, the fucking state of potholes. Yeah, I'm about to go home. I'm probably gonna link up with the homies, chill, and get back to the grind tomorrow morning, man. I've been in the gym grinding, but yeah, I'm gonna hop on the field real quick. I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all.